Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is about favorite color combinations. I was talking about, colors and, color combos with my good friend Leslie here at Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. And we were talking about some of her sketchbook creations and stuff like this. And I was noticing that, she had a couple really powerful ones that were yellow. And I was like, wow, those are different for you. And I was like, those are really beautiful. And she says, well, I had a professor one time that told me that if I didn't quit using yellow, he was going to take it away from me. And I remember thinking, well, that's kind of awful. Like, I don't understand that. I kind of find that if you have a set of favorite colors that work for you and that you respond to, there's a reason. So don't be afraid to keep defaulting to some of your favorite colors over and over and over again. Trust me, when you have said all that you need to say with that color family, you'll move on. There's no need to force yourself out of a channel where you're having success and feeling good about the final results just because you feel like, somebody's going to say something about, oh, I use too much green or whatever. Forget that. This is about what you're doing. And if you are finding success and happiness and you are happy with the visual effects that you're creating with that color family, stick with it. Don't worry about what other people think. It's your favorite colors. Well, they can have their favorite colors. So just don't worry about it. Enjoy yourself. Paint more. Enjoy more. Have more fun. And don't worry about what other people think about it. You just enjoy.